While staying at another resort in Cayo Santa Maria, I had the chance to explore the Royalton and visit a friend for an evening. This video is a visual walkthrough of the resort grounds to help you get a feel for the atmosphere, layout, and overall vibe, with a mix of daytime views and a touch of nightlife. That wraps up the walkthrough of the Royalton Cayo Santa Maria. We are now entering Plaza Gallery, a shared market with food, drinks, and entertainment that is included for guests staying in this area. I've done a detailed video covering this market and the other two included in the Santa Maria All-In program, which you'd have access to if you stayed here. Be sure to check out that video next. Thank you for watching, and happy travels!